Okay, now Daivasura Sampat Vibhaga Yogam. In fact, this is again from the Puranic idea, because all the creatures can be divided into Deva, divine beings, and Asuras, the demonic tendencies. So he is taking it up and then tries to explain this here. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, the Lord said, Abhayam Sattvasham Shuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavastitihi Danam Damasya Yajñasya Swadhyayaha Tapa Arjavam. What are they? Abhaya. Abhaya means fearlessness. Abhaya means fearlessness. Sattva samshuddhihi. Sattva here refers to the mind. Samshuddhihi, absolutely pure. A pure mind. Jnana yoga vyavastitaha. Interested in jnana and yoga. Jnana means understanding the nature of one's own self. Yoga, the necessary discipline to be able to achieve this. Jnana yoga vyavastitaha. Danam, dana means giving. Dana means giving, charity, giving or charity. Damaha, controlling the senses. Yajñaha, doing yajña. We have come across the word yajña, doing a prana yajña or number of yajñas. Keep on practicing the yajñas. Swadhyayaha, study the shastras, study the various shastras or the Vedas. Tapaha is moderation in everything. Having a control over oneself. Arjava, straightforwardness. These are the various things he is talking about. That is, the list is not complete. He goes to the next shloka. Ahimsa satyam akrodaha tyagaha shantihi apaishunam daya bhuteishvalo luptam mardavam hrihi achapalam. Further, ahimsa. We are familiar with that. Ahimsa. Ahimsa is what? Non-harming. Ahimsa. Satya means truthfulness. Akrodaha. See, Arjava, earlier we saw Arjava is straightforwardness. Satya means speaking the truth. Akrodaha, not easily provoked. I don't get angry. Very rarely I get angry. Okay. Akrodaha. Tyagaha. Tyagaha means renunciation. Tyaga is to renounce. Tyaga. Shantihi, a mental peace. Apaishunam. Apaishuna means not to talk ill of others. Apaishuna means not to talk ill of others. Okay. In fact, the Vedas talk about this. Sankusuko, Vikusuko, Niruruto. When we say that Satya, when you are Satya or truthfulness, they include all these things. Sankusuka is to talk ill of others. Sankusuka. Vikusuka is to spread rumors. Sankusuko, Visuko, Niruruto, telling what you call blatant lies. All the three are considered to be sins of the speech. And then not only that, openly you talk ill about others. Sometimes what do, you spread rumors about other people. Ahimsa, satyam, okay, satya, akrodaha. Akrodaha means not being angry. Tyagaha, shantihi, apaishunam. Apaishuna will be this. Apaishuna. Bhuteshu daya. Daya means kindness, compassion to all the creatures. Bhuteshu daya. Aloluptam, aloluptam, lack of desire in others' property, others' belongings. Mardavam, Mardavam is gentleness. Mardava is gentleness. Hri means modesty. Hri, modesty. Achapala means, I want this. Keep on planning something or other, how nice it will be if I get that. That kind of allowing the mind to go on these lines. Teja kshama dhriti shaucham adroho nati manita bhavanti sampadam daivim abhijatasya bharata. Tejaha means here luster or courage. Kshama means forbearance. Dhritihi, firmness. Shaucha, cleanliness, both mind and body. Adroha is don't cheat somebody. Atimanina, don't think too much of oneself. Deivim sampadam, belief in God. Abhijatasya, if a person is born with these qualities, okay, abhijatasya bhavanti bharata. So these are the qualities for those people who are born with the Daivi qualities. Deivim sampadam. These are the qualities that you find in people who are born with the divine qualities. Okay, they are called divine beings. Whereas on the other hand, दम्भो दर्पो अभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानं चाभिजातस्य पार्थ सम्पदमासुरीम्. Asura means a demon, demonic tendencies. Partha, Arjuna. Dambaha means, show off, showing off. Darpaha again, pride. Parpaha. Abhimanaha, keep on talking about oneself. I am so great. Krodhaha, anger. Parushya means what do you call the tendency to hurt others. Ajnanam, of course, lack of correct knowledge about the self. Asurim sampadam, these are considered to be the asuric or demonic tendencies. People who are born with these tendencies are said to be asurim sampadam abhijnatasya. They are said to be born with the asuric tendencies. Devim sampad vimokshaya nibandhayasuri mata ma shuchaha sampadam daivim abhijataha asi pandavam. Daivim sampati means the divine qualities. Vimokshaya, for the sake of release, for the sake of moksha, that is understanding the self, all those things. Asuri means asuric. Okay, so Daivim Sampadam Vimokshaya. If I am born with the Daivim Sampada or the divine qualities, then that will help me to achieve the goal of release. That will help me. On the other hand, Asurim Sampat Nibandhaya. On the other hand, if I am born with the Asuric tendencies, then they are going to, most likely, will keep me in bondage. It is considered that way. Mata, Pandava, Arjuna, Ma Shuchaha, he tells him, Ma Shuchaha, don't worry. Daivim Sampadam, the Devic qualities, the divine qualities, Abhijataha, you are born with those qualities. So Arjuna is happy. This is the first time he says something good about him. Dvau bhuta sargau loke asmin deva asura eva cha devo vistarashaha proktaha asuram partha me shrunu. Now he said, I have explained about the deva, what you call daivic divine qualities. Now let me explain to you in greater detail about the asuric tendencies. Partha, Arjuna, asmin loke, in this world, daivaha, the divine, and asuraha cha, this demonic, dvau, two types of bhuta sargaha, okay, beings are there. Daivaha, one with the divine tendencies, vistarashaha, in great detail, proktaha, I have already explained, asuram. Now let me explain to you the asuric tendencies or demonic tendencies. Pravrittim cha nivrittim cha janana vidurasuraha na shaucham napi chacharo na satyam teshu vidyate. Asuraha janaha, people with asuric tendencies. Pravrittim cha, pravriti means those activities that are said to, that should be done, which will lead to good results. Nivrittim, those activities which should be avoided so that it will lead us to what you call problems. Na viduhu, they do not know. They do not know what is right and what is wrong. They do not know that. Teshu, in them, na shaucham vidyate. They are not clean, both in the body and the mind. Na api acharaha. There is no proper conduct or proper lifestyle, if you want to call it, acharaha. Nacha satyam, nor are they truthful. They are not truthful. Asatyam apratishtam te jagadahuhu anishwaram aparaspara sambhutam kim anyate kama haitukam. What do they think? What do they say? Jagati, this world. Asatyam means there is no truth in it. Asatyam means not, it doesn't say it is not, it is an illusion. Asatyam, truth has got no place in this world. Apratishtam, there is no dharma in this. You do whatever whatever is favorable for you. That is my dharma. There is no dharma. There is no order in this world. Anishwaram, there is no God in this. Aparaspara sambhutam. Life is full of man, woman contact. Kama hitukam, it is completely based on on desires. Kim manyate, what else is there? Prahuhu, what else is there in this world? That is the asuric tendency. Yetam drishtim avashtabhya nashtatmanaha alpabuddhayaha prabhanti agrakarmanah kshayaya jagatah ahitah alpabuddhayah, with a narrow mind, etam drishtim, with this kind of outlook, avashtambya, having this kind of outlook, nashta atmanaha, anashta atmanaha, without knowing the nature of their own selves, ugra karmanaha, they engage in very harmful activities. Ugra karmanaha, they harm others. Jagataha, in this jagata, ahitaha, they become the enemies of the world. They become the enemies of the world. Kshayaya, for the sake of the destruction of the world, prabhavanti, they appear to have been created. काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरं दम्भमानम् अदान्विताः मोहात् गृहीत्वा असद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते अशुचिव्रताः. Dushpuram, impossible to fulfill. Kamam, desire. They have insatiable desire. Ashritya, depending upon that. Damba, mana, mada, anvitaha. Damba means showing off. Mana, having a great opinion about themselves. Mada, arrogance. Mohat, and also with a lot of confusion. Asadgrahane, keeping very bad thoughts. Grihitva, holding on to them. Ashuchivrataha, unclean goals they keep. And pravartante, they go about doing their activities. Chintam aparimeyam cha pralayantam upashritaha kamopabhoga parama etavaditi nischitaha. Pralayantam, pralaya means the end, pralayantam, until their end, until their death. Aparimeyam means unlimited, limitless. Chinta means worries. Upashritaha, they get over and over a period of time, more and more worries reach them. Kama upabhoga paramaha. Their mind is only on fulfilling their desires of the senses. Paramaha, etavatiti. There is nothing else in this world. I just have to, satisfy my senses. Nischitaha, they are firm about this. Ashapasha shataihi baddhaha kamakrodha parayanaha ihante kama bhogartam anyayena artha sanchayan. Ashapasha shataihi, bound by hundreds of desires. I have this desire, keep on, those desires are binding me. Instead of having one or two, they have hundreds of desires, they are binding them. Baddhaha, bound by these various desires. Kama krodha parayanaha. Once you are bound to the desires, then you will have more kama and krodha. Kama, the desires to get what you want. Krodha, because you are not able to get what you want, you become angry. Kama krodha parayanaha. Completely under the control of desire and anger. Kama bhogartham, only for the sake of fulfilling their desires. Anyayena means unlawfully, unjustly. Artha sanchayana, they try to accumulate a lot of wealth. Ihante, they attempt to collect more and more wealth. Ihante, that is how they go about their life. Idam adyamaya labdham, idam prapsye manoratham, idam asti idam apitme bhavishyati punardhanam. Adya, now, maya, by me, idam, this, labdham, I have been able to achieve this today. Idam manoratham, my desire, prapse, I will achieve, I will get what I want. Idam asti, this is there. Punaha, again, may to me, idam api dhanam, further money, further wealth, bhavishyasya vandisheram. What does he think? He goes about and then he is able to get something. Okay, I have been able to achieve this. Now I am going to go in the same path. I have been able to steal some money. I am happy. Okay, now I will get more money by going the same path. So with that they spend their entire lifetime. Asomaya hatashatruhu hanishye chapa ranapi Ishvaroham aham bhogi siddhoham balavan sukhi. Sometimes I become very successful in this kind of activity. So what do I do? Asau shatruhu, this particular shatru has been, shatru or enemy who has been preventing me from getting what I want. Maya, by me, hataha, he has been destroyed by me. I go even to that extent. Aparancha api, even others who are coming in my way, Hanishye, I will destroy them. Aham Ishwaraha, I am the Lord, I am the Lord. Aham Bhogi, I enjoy life. Aham Siddhaha, I can do anything I want. Balavan, I am very powerful. Sukhi, I will enjoy life. Adyaha abhijanavan asmi kaha anyaha asti sadrisho maya yaksheda asyami modhishya ityajnana vimohitaha. I don't know whether people were like that at that time. I don't know. Adyaha means I am very rich. Abhijanavan, I belong, I am the high caste because I am wealthy. Maya, to me, sadrishaha, equal, anyaha kaha asti, there is nobody equal to me. Yakshe, I will do yajnas so that I will be able to get the various gods to give me what I want. If I am become a king, what do? I do Ashwamedha yajna, horse sacrifice, so that I can become an emperor. So what do? I do a lot of bad things. I need a lot of wealth to do I need a large army, need a lot of weapons. So what do? I tax my people, collect a lot of money. Anyaha kasti, there is nobody else like me. Yakshe, I will do yajna. As I told you, they do a lot of these yajnas. Then there's a lot of destruction that take place. Tax your own people and then kill the neighboring armies of the neighboring countries. Bring them under your control. And then if you do it, they say, if you do 1,000 such yajna, you become Indra. So that's your next ambition, next goal. Yakshe, Dasyami, I will, I have now become the emperor. I got plenty of money. So what do? Dasyami, I will give charity. Not because of others want it, because I want to do it. Okay, I want to make somebody happy, and then feel proud. I can make weak people happy. So there is a Rajasic tendency in that. Dasyami, Modishye, I will be happy. Thus, Ajnana Vimohitaha, they are completely deluded by the Ajnana. What is Ajnana? Ajnana about the self. These are all prakritic activities. The self does not get involved in it. You are really the self. So they have no understanding of the self. So they keep on, working on these lines. Aneka chitta vibhranta mohajala samavruta prasaktaha kama bhogeshu patanti narake ashucho. Aneka chitta vibhrantaha, being confused by their own thought. After some time, you don't know what should I do this, should I go to this place, should I go to that place, should I do this work, should I do that work? I get more and more confused. We keep on, acting more and more, adding more and more the prakritic activities. Aneka chitta vibhrantaha mohajala samavritaha. And then they get completely caught up in the, in the confusion, in that particular moha. Moha means infatuation. Kama bhogeshu, then they spend their time in, in kama bhogeshu, all the enjoyment the senses provide. All the senses provide a lot of enjoyments. Prasaktaha, they get attached to them. Ashuchau narake, okay, ultimately they fall into the ashuchau, unclean naraka. Even this life itself become a naraka after some time. If they are going to depend only on the senses for enjoyment or pleasure, then ashuke narake. Atma sambhavitaha stabdha dhanamana madanvitaha. I don't know what happened. He was talking about everything nice. Suddenly he has become suddenly he is very severe. I don't know what happened.
This is the don't let this happen to you.
That's true. But at the same time, I thought that the tenor, the tone is very, very severe now. Atma sambhavitaha stabdha dhanamanam adanvitaha yajante nama yajñeste dambhena vidhi purvakam. Atma sambhavitaha, thinking very high of themselves. Atma sambhavitaha stabdaha means somebody who will not bend. If somebody comes and gives their advice, they will ignore them. I will not listen to anybody. I know everything. Dhanamanamadhanvitaha. Dambhena means for their own pride. Nama yajñehi, they do yajna for the sake of yajna. Okay, I have done this yajna. I have given $1 million charity. These are all according to him. Avidhipurvakam. Avidhipurvakam means without any order, without any, because many of these things, yajnas are supposed to be done in a particular way, but they don't care. Like the Daksha who did this yajna, because he was very proud. He did that without following the rules. Avidhipurvakam te ejante, they do yagas. At that time, this was happening. Many of the kings were doing yajna. In fact, the Pandavas are supposed to have done a yajna called Rajasuya yajna. They have done many of the yajnas earlier on. Ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodham cha samshritaha mamatma paradeheshu pradvishantaha abhyasuyakaha. Ahankara, I am doing everything. It's not Prakriti, I do everything. Balam, bala, darpa, what you call pride, kama, desire, krodha, anger, ashritaha, depending upon that or established in them. Atma paradeheshu. Atma means in their own, para in the others, deheshu in the person, in their own person, and also in the other persons. Mam, me, Ishvara. Pradvishantaha, Pradvishantaha, they hate us. And Abhyasuyakaha, and also start insulting us. They start insulting God. See, sometimes when I become very powerful and nothing bad happens to me, I start thinking that I can get away with what? Something. I can get away with murder, and then I start doing once, twice, thrice. Like that, I become an asura in a short period of time. Tanaham dvishataha kruran samsareshu naradhaman kshipami ajasram ashubhan asurishu eva yonishu dvishataihi, persons with a lot of enmity, dvishataihi, lot of enmity, kruran, krura means cruel people, krurane, naradhamane, the lowest of all human beings, ashubhane means ones without the shubha, samsareshu, in this world, in this universe, asurishu yonishu, they fall in asuric families or asuric lineage, ajasram, always, aham, me, kshipami, I put them there, when people behave like this, I see to it that they are born in asuric families. Asurim yoni mapanna mudha janmani mam aprapya iva kaunteya tato yanti adhamam gatim. Kaunteya, Arjuna, Mudaha means people who are tamasic, who can't think properly. Janmani, in many janmas, many births. Asurim yonim apannaha, they are born in asuric yonis or asuric wombs. Mam aprapya eva, without being able to reach me. Tataha adhamam gatim, they go further down. Yanti, they get further and further down. See, he says you got to be careful. Trividham narakasyedam dvaram nashanamaatmanaha kamaha krodastata lobhaha tasmat yetatrayam tyajet. Kama means desire, krodaha means krodha, anger, tata in the same way lobhaha means greed, desire, anger and greed. Kama is different. Kama is satisfying your senses. Krodha is anger due to you are not being able to satisfy the senses because the objects you want to satisfy the senses are not available. The third one is lobha. Lobha is nothing to do with the senses. Lobha is greed. I want to have more. I want to possess more. These are the three things. Idam, this, trividam, three types of narakasya dvaram. All the three are said to be the what you call gateway to Naraka, or what is Naraka? Naraka is the place which is not the heaven. Naraka. Narakasya dvaram, Atmanaha for the individual self, Nashanam. These three are there to destroy an individual. Nashanam, Tasmat, therefore, Etatrayam, these three, Tyajet, you give up all these three. Desire, anger and lobha. Wanting to more. Etaihi vimuktaha kaunteya tamodvaraihi tribhirnaraha acharati atmanaha shreyaha tato yati param gatim. Kaunteya, Arjuna, etaihi tribihi tamodvaraihi, these three gateways to undesirable place. Vimuktaha naraha, when an individual is completely released, atmanaha, to him, shreyaha, good acharati, he is able to do something good for himself. You know, I am able to do something good for myself. Tataha, then param gatim yati. So nothing, he says that you must try to, first of all, the starting point is try to, what you call, these three should not affect me: kama, krodha and lobha. Yaha shastra vidhim utsrujya vartate kamakaratah na sasiddhim avapnoti na sukham na param gatim. Yaha, whosoever, shastra vidhim means, what you call, not following the rules of dharma, shastra vidhim, utsrujya, giving up, kamakaratah, completely induced by desire, vartate, if he acts like that, saha, such a person, siddhim, the ultimate goal, siddhim, na vapnoti, he will not be able to achieve the ultimate goal. Na sukham, he will not be able to attain sukha or a good feeling. Na param gatim, nor will he be. Sukha is due to sattva. Param gatim is due to all the three gunas and status. So he will not be able to attain sukha because he is not a sattvic person, and he will not be able to achieve the ultimate goal because the mind will not be able to reach the stage of, what we call, the samyavastha of the three gunas. Tasmate shastram pramanam te karya vyavasthito jnatva shastra vidhanoktam karma kartum iharhasi. Tasmate, therefore, karya vyavasthitaha, karya vyavasthitaha. You must know what is right and what is wrong, what is the right action, what is not the right action. Te shastram pramanam. How do I know that shastra is the pramana? Shastra is what? The various old texts which tell you this is right, this is not right. Everywhere these shastras are available. They tell us what should I do or what I should not do. Shastra is pramana. This is the only thing. You follow whatever shastras one belongs to, and then follow that particular shastra. Here, shastra vidhana vuktam, trying to understand what the shastras say. Karma kartum, you must be able to do all the activities. Arhasi, you are required to do all the activities as per the shastras, because shastras are the ones that tell you what is right and what is not right. Okay. Srimad Bhagavad Gita su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Daiva Asura Sampat Vibhaga Yogo Nama Shodasha Adhyayah. Vanamali Gadi Sharangi Shanki Chakri Chanandaki Sriman Narayano Vishnu Vasudevo Virakshati Vignesha Achyut Govinda Madhavanandakesha Vakrishna Vishnu Rishikesha Vasudeva Namostute Shanka Chakra Gadapane Srimad Dwarakanili Achyut Govinda Pundarikaksha Rakshamam Sharanagatam Namo Brahmani Devaya Go Brahmanihitaya Cha Jagaditaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah. Om Tat Sat Krishna Arpanamastu Srinivasa Acharya Untarudhile Sharanam.